Okay, so it's not quite finished yet. I got to make the hopper for it yet. But here's my grinder assembly, power system, which is an old shredder that one of the gears broke on, so the shredder itself doesn't work anymore. And my power switch is over here. I've got to put a small glass plexiglass piece there because I want to be able to see through that area, and that'll prevent stuff from getting kicked out. But yeah, I mean, it is working well. Things like this, just throw them in, re-grind. Going backwards. After a couple times, everything gets ground up well. So you'll see here, I just take this whole thing, dump it back in here. And right now I've got a problem where pieces come out the front, which is why I'm going to put that piece of plexiglass on. Okay, that's all in there. Put that back up under and reverse. And the second time through, see, most of that's all, yeah, there's no big pieces in here anymore. Send it through a couple times and it'll all be tiny bits.